Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavita Ashok Educational and Motivational Channel. Today onwards we are going to discuss only for the annual exam purpose 1A paper mathematics. First I will start the 2 marks questions, later 4 marks and 7 marks questions. So today I am going to start the matrices topic. Here first 2 marks question we are expecting for 2021 annual exam. What is that? Define trace of a matrix and trace of A if A is equal to this one. What is meant by trace? Suppose one square matrix is there. A is equal to A, B, C, D. Right? This is a 2 by 2 matrix. So to find out a trace or to define the trace, it must be a square matrix, either 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix or 4 by 4 matrix, like that here. Trace in the sense here, so this is the principal diagonal of the matrix, or simply we can call this as a diagonal. The sum of the principal diagonal elements is called trace of A. Trace A is equal to the sum of principal diagonal elements. So define trace in the sense here, if A is a square matrix, the sum, SUM sum, the sum of the elements in the principal diagonal is called trace of the matrix. So here 3 by 3 matrix is given. 3 rows are there and 3 columns are there. So this is a square matrix. To find out the trace of A is equal to sum of the elements in the principal diagonal. This is the principal diagonal or simply diagonal. 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 get cancelled, sir. Trace of A is equal to 1. Like this we can calculate the trace of the matrix. Once again, trace of the matrix in the sense, if the given matrix is a square matrix, the sum of the elements in the principal diagonal is called trace of the matrix. Principal diagonal in the sense this one, A11, A22, A33, A44, like that here. So here we calculated the trace like this. Right. Next important question. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are defined by Aij is equal to half of mod I minus 3j. Right. First I am taking the matrix as A equal to, I am constructing a 3 by 2 matrix. 3 rows are there, 2 columns are there. So that's why A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. How many rows are there? 3 rows and 2 columns. This is our required matrix. These are the elements in the form Aij is equal to half of mod I minus 3j. So by using this construction, we will calculate these values. First value is A11. If A11, I value is 1, J value is 1. Wherever I is there, we will replace this value. Wherever J is there, we will replace this value. So half of mod 1 minus 3 into 1. Half of mod 1 minus 3. Half of mod minus 2. This is equal to half of mod minus 2 is equal to 2. Why? Because that is a modulus value, absolute value. 2 get cancelled, we will get 1. Next. So A11 value is, so this is our required matrix here. In the place of A11, we will replace 1. Next, A12. Half of mod 1 minus 3 into 2. So half of 1 minus 6, this is mod minus 5. So 1 by 2. Mod minus 5 is nothing but 5. This is nothing but 5 by 2. So A12 value is 5 by 2. Next, A21. Half of I value is 2, J value is 1. So 2 minus 3 into 1. Half of 2 minus 3 is minus 1. This is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. This is equal to 1 by 2. Next, A22. A22. Half of 2 minus 3 into 2. Half of 2 minus 6. Half of mod minus 4. This is equal to 4 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. The value will be 2. Next, A31. Excuse me. A31 is equal to half of 3 minus 3 into 1. 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 by 2, that is equal to 0. This value will be 0. Next, A32, half of I value is 3, so 3 minus 3 into 2. Half of 3 minus 6, this is minus mod minus 3, this is nothing but 3 by 2. So like this we can calculate A. So this is an easy construction and we will expect this question definitely for the annual exam. A is equal to this one. Right, next question. Two matrices are given. He says that these two matrices are equal, then find the values of unknown values x comma y comma z and a. Two matrices are said to be equal if their corresponding elements must be same. Corresponding in the sense A11 positions, A12 positions, A21 positions and A22 positions must be same. So according to this, if you compare, x minus 3 value will be 5, 2y minus 8 value will be 2, z plus 2 value will be minus 2 and 6 is equal to a minus 4. So corresponding positions are equal. Now x is equal to 5 plus 3 and x value will be 8. 2y is equal to 2 plus 8. So 2y is equal to 10. 2 1 ja 2 5 ja, y is equal to 5. Next, z is equal to minus 2. If you take plus 2 to the right part, z value will be minus 4. Next, 6. If you take minus 4 to the left, 6 plus 4 is equal to a here. A value will be 10. So like this we can calculate the values of x, y, z and a. For this we can get 2 marks. Right. If A is given a 2 by 2 matrix, then find A square. So this is our first problem. So already know A square is nothing but A into A. This is equal to I 0 0 I into I 0 0 I. So we will multiply by this process. I into I square plus 0 into 0, 0. I into 0, 0 plus 0 into I, 0. 0 into I, 0. I into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. I into I square. We already know I square is equal to minus 1, sir, by complex number property. So wherever I square is there, we will replace minus 1. So that's why minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. So finally, A square is equal to minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Like this we can calculate A square value. Next, A is given and A square is given 0, then find the value of K. Again, calculate A square here. A square in the sense A into A. 2, 4, minus 1K and 2, 4, minus 1K. Now, 2, 2 ja 4, 4 minus 4, 2, 4 ja 8. Plus 4k minus 2 minus k minus 4 plus k square. But given A square equal to 0. So whenever LHS is same, RH is also same. What we can get here? 0, 8 plus 4k minus 2 minus k and minus 4 plus k square is equal to 0. So 2 by 2 matrix I am taking. 0 matrix. O in a sense 0 matrix. Here 2 by 2 is there, we can take 2 by 2. If 3 by 3 is there, we can take 3 by 3. Corresponding elements must be same. So 0 is 0. We will equate these two. Or we will equate these two. But don't equate these two. Why? Because whenever square is there, we can get two values. Only one value will satisfy. So always equate linear forms. So that's why I am equating A12 to A12. 8 plus 4k equal to 0, 4k equal to minus 8, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja, and k value will be minus 2. If we equate these two also, we can get the same minus 2 only. Like this we can calculate the answer.